Eveline Cosmetics Art Scenic Eyebrow Corrector. Eveline Art Scenic Eyebrow Black Corrector 3-in-1 New. HuntGold 2X Stylish Multifunction Unisex S Twist Nose. Fair price and fair quality nice gift for you and your friends feature, you can wear it at lips, eyebrow, nose, ear. Iebeauty Eyebrow Remover Tweezer+Led Light Makeup Tool. Excellent product. Gave several away to family and friends as gifts and they were delight. I personally use them to help me see better when installing roll pins and springs in AR-15 lower builds. Well worth the money. L'Oréal Paris Brow Artist Genius Eyebrow Color Kit, Medium. Shaves, structure and highlight your eyebrows for finishing salt. N. With eyebrows all in one kit. Genius Artist Brow Kit. Get a look of impact with natural finish. With the kit eyebrows L or AL, design your eyebrows and transform your look in 3 simple. Delia Henna Eyebrow Tint Gel. Eyebrow Tint Gel. Burisum My Brow Tattoo Pack Gel Type Eyebrow Tint. By far the best eyebrows products I've used. I have black hair and the mocha brown is perfect for me. You are supposed to leave the gel on for at least 2 hours for it to stain your skin, but I leave mine on overnight. Been using it for a month and it lasts about 4 days. Even when I wash my face regularly the gel dry up pretty fast, so I never get any on my pillow while sleeping. When applying, if you mess up just use a wet Q-tip to clean the area. I made a mistake of washing my face before removing the gel one morning and the gel turned back into liquid when wet. So peel your brows off before getting your face wet. I was trying everything before this, including the Wunder brows, and none would last this long. The tint actually looks very good in person, doesn't look cakey like the Wunder brows. Love love love. Burisum My Brow Tattoo Pack Gel Type Eyebrow Tint. Love it. It mostly peeled off in one piece. I put it on really thick though. I thought it was going to stain my skin, but that wasn't what happened. It seemed to dye the hairs. It works so well. It is the perfect color for me too. My natural color is between dirty blonde and light brown. Everything is in Japanese, but it is so straightforward. Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Mascara de Sieges Gel Make Me Brow Eyebrow Essence 3-in-1 Color, Densidad y Forma. La Mascara Gel con color para las sieges con pequeñas fibras que rellenan los huecos indecidos para unas sieges definidas y tupidas. Cruelty free, no testado en animals sin parabenos, marca N1 en Europa.